Hey guys, it's Brenna, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip pudding slime. And it's with, you are going to make it with Sta-Flo, liquid detergent, and wood glue. That's what gives it the pudding look. And you're also going to need rocks, but I'm too lazy to go back outside to get rocks. So, first, what you're going to do is you're going to pour your desired amount of slime into your bowl. Okay, I give up. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your detergent and pour about a tablespoon in, and then mix it. You're going to do a tablespoon at a time until you get that slime consistency. And the more you mix it, the less sticky it gets. That's still sticky. That's disgusting. I'll be right back when it's all mixed. Okay, so now once you get your desired consistency of slime, you're going to play with it until it's like a lot less sticky. And it should only take a few seconds to knead it all in. Sorry for the background, that is my disgustingly annoying dog. Tonka! Okay, he's not gonna listen. I know that he's only a year old, but he's really stupid. Okay, so I give up on life. I'm just gonna put it on my clean floor. Absolutely disgusting. Dog, you are annoying. You know that cage is made of aluminum? You know that, right, Tonka? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to knead it until it becomes like the right consistency that I want it to be. I'll turn the camera so you guys can see it.